Are you tired of digging through hundreds of unread emails to find the unread ones? Learn how to instantly show only unread messages in under 10 seconds. In this video, I'll show you a simple search trick that works in any Gmail folder. Just one command and you'll see every unread email instantly. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the search bar at the top and type is:"unread" and press enter. Gmail will now display every unread email across all folders, including your inbox, unless you add additional filters. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.